What's going on, guys? We're here at TJ Chapman Auto. Today we have this 2018 Ford Flex, 44,000 miles. Let's go ahead and tour the entire exterior of this car. Show you guys all of the gap in between panels. Ensure that there is none. Give you guys a cold start. Show you how the car starts up. Show you how there's no check engine lights, no service lights, anything of the sort. And show you how the interior and exterior of this car are perfect. You see some front parking sensors over here. You see a little bit of damage over here to the front bumper. Almost looks like a hail damage if it would occur from the top. On the roof here, you have your power sunroof. Taking a look at the door panel, you'll find your flex badged speakers, your auto front windows, your power fold, and adjustable power mirrors as well. Here in the interior, you will find individual sunroofs for the third row seating and for the second row seating as well for each of the passengers. We have our key fob over here, where you have remote start and almost like a oddly surfboard shaped Ford key fob. Let's go ahead and start this up. And all right, with the car now running, you can see here we have 44,200.4 miles at 140 miles per hour on the dash. And here we have our Sony powered multimedia interface. We have our air conditioned and heated seats in the front. We have a heated steering wheel. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Let's turn on the air conditioned seats and the heated seats. Show you guys that everything works just fine. Here for audio settings, you are able to access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto through your USB ports that would be located here. So you have two USB Type A's, 12-volt lighter port. You have your physical climate controls over here on the bottom. You have this almost like a haptic touch display, to which you don't really like press, you just tap. Really cool feature. Here you can select your source. Once again, also touch. And taking a look at our steering wheel here, you will find your cruise control, your call settings, your audio settings. You'll find your manual sunroof slide over here. Let's go ahead and close that. Here you'll find your sunroof controls, slide, tilt, open, close, etc. Let's go ahead and show you guys the engine sounds completely healthy, and there's absolutely like nothing wrong with this. Alright, go ahead and close it up. Show you guys the rear seats and the third row seating as well. Here you have a very basic style door panel, just window controls, door handles, loads of space on the rear as well though. Taking a look here, you will have your individual sunroof for both captain chairs in the rear. You have AC wall adapter for faster charging of devices. You have two cup holders, 12-volt lighter adapter, heated rear seats, your own individual climate control settings for the rear as well. And then looking back at our third row seatings, you can tell that they are now with the headrest folded. So we're going to go ahead and fold those up. Show you guys the trunk space as well. Self-opening trunk. You can see your reverse camera over here, your tow hitch on the bottom. And here you have your classic Ford luxury. You can fold the seats, tailgate. You can do both, just left hand side, just right hand side, or stow the seats. We're going to go ahead and press and hold for about 1 to 2 seconds, and it will now allow you to get more trunk space. Beautiful feature. Let's go ahead and set these to normal so you can see that both and all features work as well. And there you have it. Let's go ahead and close our trunk with our button here. Gives you a couple seconds to move out of the way. And this is 2018. 2018 Ford Flex, 44,000 miles. Brand new title, available for sale here at TJ Chapman Auto. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.